Let's say this is your repository and you want to give view-only access to somebody to this repository. So how can you do this? Now, if you are an organization and you have an organization account, it's quite simple. You can just go to settings and you can scroll down. You'll see collaborators. Just click on collaborators and let me just verify this. And you can just add people, and while adding people you can select their privilege level. Is it view only or something else? Okay, but if you are not an organization, you'll not be able to choose what's the access level. You can just add them and they'll be able to push. So if you are an individual and you want to give view only access, what can you do? So what you can do is click on this icon on top right, click on settings, scroll down, you will see developer settings, and now click on personal access token, click on fine-grained tokens, and click on generate new token. So what you will do is, for this token, you will set view only access, and when the user pulls or tries to do anything with this token, they'll only be allowed to clone, not push. So let's say view only test repo, and owner is the organization itself. You can set the expiration date, and for now I'll just select one repository for which these token will be valid. That is what is the repository name? Let's call it push. What was it? Push test. Yeah. And then click on add permissions. What permission do we want to give? We want to give view only, right? Read, write, those permissions are in content. And click on contents, and here you will see access is read only. And now just click on generate token. Click on generate token. And now you can give this token to any user that you want, and that user will be able to just view your repository, not do anything. If I just try to clone this repository, I'll get this error, repository not found. I'll have to clone this using this token that we have just created. So let's try to clone it using this token. So this is the command git clone, the username and the token key that we had just provided, right? So what is our repository URL? It's this. Let's, okay, not this. Where is it? Okay, so this is the repository. Copy the repository URL, paste it here. And what's the username? The username that I want to clone as is the wish. And this is the user to which you'll give access key or the personal access token. And what was the token? This was the token. And now let's hit enter to clone it. Okay, so I entered the wrong URL at github.com twice. So let me just delete this part. And now as you can see, the user that is using this personal access token has successfully cloned your project, but that user will not be able to push it. So if you want to try to see what happens when you push it, let's go into the clone directory. Let's create a new file here. This is the repository that we just cloned. Let's create a new file. Let's call it read only users. And now let's add a commit. Let's add the file first. Now add commit. I'll just write checking. And let's try to push again. As you can see, I get this error that says write access to repository not granted. This is how you can create or give view only access to somebody to your repository. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below.